One thing about a grill is a lot of steel. Steel, nothing special here. I don't think there's anything in here that's really worth anything. But what is worth something, not all grills are the same. This piece right here on the inside. These, heavy steel. Save that with your heavy steel. Anything that's heavy steel like that, keep that with you. Heavy steel. Regular steel, but this bad boy, which I busted out of there with a hammer. I just busted it out with a hammer. This is all aluminum. So I'm going to throw this in my aluminum pile, and when my grandson comes over this weekend, apparently he's not going to make it today, he will smash this with a sledgehammer with some eye goggles on, obviously. Gonna get anything in his eyes. We've got everything we can get off of this thing that's worth pulling off. There's no stainless, no aluminum, no anything but metal. Two small pieces of aluminum. Alright, next to the scrapyard. Oh my God! I was just rolling this thing. I was just rolling this thing over here to scrap it. Lo and behold, I found some brass. Brass fittings and clamps. And I am not. Look at all that brass. Well, that is sweetness. Alright, well, this ain't done yet. That's got to go. Ain't no way I'm going to turn that stuff in. Lord have mercy. It's one thing we don't do. We don't give anything away. This is gas line too, matter of fact. Oh, wow. Huh. That's gas line. I could probably use that. See if we can't twist this off there. Don't want to throw away something I can absolutely use. And this is a gas line that I could probably use on my propane torch. Come on, baby. Maybe. Maybe not. Alright, I'll cut it off for now. That's going to be a lot of work. I'll cut that off for now. Oh man, I hate to cut that. Man, I don't want to cut that. I don't want to cut it. That's a nice line right there. Alright, so I'm going to cut this one. I'm going to cut this one. See? That right there. It's all brass. Look at that. That's brass. And it's a gas line. I might can use that on my cooker for melting my steel, aluminum, copper. Hang on to that. And this is trash. Unless I can get them off. Let me see if I can get them little things off of there. Because they look like they got some goodness on them. I do not like to throw away goodness. See what we got down here. It looks like all solid brass. Okay. Alright, screwdriver. Let's see what we got here. We got half
can't let it go.
Drive me crazy. I ain't done with you, girl. I ain't done with you. Alright, we need a good pair of pliers here. What the hell? Here we go. Pair of pliers. We got some goodness got to come with me. Got to come with me, goodness. Ain't no daggone way I'm letting that brass go. Alright, do it with a drill. What the heck did I do with my drill? I carried my drill down and put it somewhere. Here it is. Drill, one drill. I am one drill away. Dear goodness. Got to have you. I gotta have you. Alright, so you know what we're gonna do with that? Take a daggum hammer and fix it. You ain't getting away with it. Dang, I keep on putting my... Now I keep putting my tools down. That ain't good. What have we got here? Look what I just found. Brass. Beautiful piece of brass. I like that. Can't hide from me. Pure goodness. Brass, take a couple screws out. I'm not going to throw away anything. Here. I'll keep the littlest piece of something. Money in it. Ain't throwing away goodness. Alright, now that grill's ready. I don't feel like I've left anything in here that's important. Oh. Time to turn around. Find something else. If I can't get it off, I will beat it off till I get it to come. Let me tell you. Putting up with that crap. I got to go. I got to have you. Look at you. Lord have mercy. Can't throw away pretty brass like that. I just realized that other grill over there has the same thing. So I guess I'm not done with it either. This one is brass. Let's see what we got here. Oh, guess what that is? Aluminum and stainless. That's steel. Garbage. Get in there. Sons of a biscuit. Alright. Get this up to the top. Can't be down here. What I'm talking about. What I'm talking about. Whew. I'll fight with it. It's in there. Alright, dang on. This thing's got to go. It's like a Dodge hood. It's going up on top somehow. This thing's heavier than it looks. Never expect to see this much weight in a hood. Oh, she's going up front. Just like that. By God. It's going up there all the way down. There it goes. All right, I finally I say, got finished stacking this trailer. And today is Wednesday. No, today is Thursday. I'm gonna bring this stuff in. I'm gonna bring this stuff in on tomorrow afternoon, and we're gonna see what we get for just scrap junk. I think what I like most of it is the other things that I got, to be honest with you. Heading to the scrapyard. Heading to the scrapyard. Buddy Paul's gonna give me a hand on this today. He helped me load up some of this stuff. When my grandson's not with me, I get some help. We got a bunch of stuff to get torn down. Of course, I'm taking everything, all the good stuff off. Hey, that's a good hose right there, and all my good stuff. Keeping all my good stuff. Keeping all my good stuff till later. Another run. All my copper, all my aluminum. It's everywhere. I gotta take all this stuff apart and make the most of it. Look at this stuff right here. You won't believe this. You won't believe what this came from. Check this out. That copper, pretty copper, came from that little thing right there, which is a little motor where the water for the water on your refrigerator. That's all that is. And I got a few of them things in here, but that's what it came from. This is the back of a this is the back of a refrigerator, the water system that shoots water all around for the ice maker and everything. And inside that little plastic right there, look at that pretty stuff right there. Look at that, Paul. That's what I was talking about.
Yeah, it's cool.
Yeah, that's cool. That little plastic. Look what it look. It came out of this little.
Yeah, right. Yeah, this itty bitty ball.
Right here.
Cool.
Oh, look, the refrigerator.
Yeah.
But that's
all little motors.
Yeah, all them little engines. That's a pretty good size little piece right there. So that got me excited. Look at the color of that. Besides my dirty hand. But here we go. We got our rental trailer here, loaded up. I don't know if we'll make any money or not, but by God, we're gonna go for it. Scrapping with Drew. All right, let's see how we do it. So apparently during the coronavirus, we got the corona going on, so, we got the coronavirus going on still, so we can't go inside the building. So I have to wait for him to come out here and tell me how much it is, make a little U-turn and head back there. I don't know how much I'm gonna get for that little bit of scrap, but we'll see. All right, so he says, come out here and make a U-turn. I can do that, make a U-turn. Look at me. Go on down. Pull over here to the right here.
Going that way, bro.
Go to the pile on the left.
Yeah, down there.
Second hole, looks like. Not that hole.
Yeah, second hole.
This hole right here. Spin it around. That one right there. Wow. This is a hole. We have had nothing but rain for the last month. We've been dealing with this. We got Paul out here. Hey, Paul. As soon as you open the door, I'll come out there and I'll back up some.
Yeah. Bad spot.
Get you out of that wet spot. I don't like this. This is not a good time to be at the place, is it?
No.
That's a lot of mud. This is the way you do it. In a rental trailer. Paul, get in and pull this thing forward. I'll get on the back of the truck at that point. Wait till I get on the back. Hey, I went over to the truck. I went in the door. That's what I did.
What?
Yeah, I went in the back.
Got down under the walking board.
Look at this stuff. Craziness. Watch out with that handle. You open the door. It is wet out here. Paul, come down here and give me a hand. Look at this shit. Madness.
Wait till I get on the bumper.
Come on, baby. Yeah, I hear movement. Boy, this trailer rental is slow. Run out of energy for a dump. Got it packed in there. Come on, big boy. Do a slide. Slide. Here we go. We got movement. All right, Paul. Uh-oh, I hear it. Let's go. Keep on going. Let me look. That's all of it. And that is the way it's done. Whew. Now let's go see what the tally is. Let's go see what the tally is. Man, I can't believe you got to pull all back in that stuff, bud. That's a mess.
That was better.
That was a mess. We're definitely going to try Leland next time. Wow. Holy shamoly. All right. Phew, that was something else, Paul.
Yeah. Buddy and everything
I
else.
didn't expect that. All right. Hey, it's been raining for a month and a half.
Yeah, right?
Let's run this thing across the scale and see what we got out of it.
$25.
Come on now, don't say that. Please be more than $25. That was a lot of work to save the environment.
Yeah, right?
All right. All right, let's see how we did. What we got, Paul? Help me count that so I can get it on the camera.
Let's count that.
What
Okay, I
we
got a $50 bill. You got a $20 bill.
70, 80, 5, 86, 87, 88, 80, 88 bucks and 20 cents.
Yep.
That wasn't bad.
Nah, that's way better.
Man, look at that. Look at that. Free money.
Free money.
Show me the money. All right. Thank you, Lord. Appreciate you. That's not bad for a Sunday after church. And to beat it all, we still have more at the house. And to beat that, we saved all the copper and aluminum. All we brought in was the crap. So wait until we somebody hollered at me, what's that going to be about, hauling junk? That was funny. You want to know what my video is going to be about. And actually, one of these guys in here, he's seen my videos. The guy inside, he's seen my YouTube channel. I have another YouTube channel, Drew's Roofing and Home Repair. And I just went in this place, seen this gentleman for the first time, and he said, I've seen your videos before. So he knew who I was right off, but I'm starting this as a new channel, but this is my first run for my new channel, and $83.20 or 20, 40, 60, yeah, $88.20. $88.20. That is not a bad haul for just scrap metal. Yeah, I missed it. I missed that 5.